Hello kids, welcome to our fun learning video. Today we are going to learn about collective nouns. A collective noun is a special word we use for a group of people, animals or things together. Let's learn some fun examples.
Skillful children.
A flock of birds. A herd of cows. A pack of wolves. A school of fish. A swarm of bees. A pride of lions. A team of players. A class of students. A bunch of grapes. A bouquet of flowers. A fleet of ships. A crowd of people. A family of bears. A litter of puppies. A colony of ants. A troop of monkeys. A forest of trees. A chain of mountains. A pair of shoes. A stack of books. Great job, kids! Now you know many fun collective nouns. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next video.